Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna share some methods with you in order to solve this issue which says there is a problem with your connection to our online services. So the first method you can try is to check 2K servers. Like you need to visit this site, then choose your platform. If servers are under maintenance, wait until they are back online. This is because no local settings can fix this until 2K servers are stable. If this is not a problem, then you can just test your internet connection. In that you need to restart your router or modem, then switch from Wi-Fi to wired, like LAN cable is much better for stability. Then you can check in connection speed, such as you should have at least 3 Mbps upload speed and at least 5 Mbps download speed. If you're on console, then you can use test internet connection option in console settings. Then third method you can try is to just restart game or clear cache. If you're playing on console, close NBA 2K26 completely, power off console, unplug for 30 seconds and then restart. If you're playing the game on PC, then you need to exit Steam or Epic Game Launcher if you're using, then restart your PC and then relaunch the game. This should solve your problem. If after trying first 3 methods, if your problem still persists, then you can go for fourth method, and in this you need to fix date and time settings. Like go to system settings, then choose date and time, turn on set time automatically option. Incorrect time can cause login and server sync issues. That's why your time and date should be set correctly. In fifth, disable VPN or firewall. This is only for PC users. Like you need to turn off VPNs cause 2K servers may block them. Temporarily disable firewall or whitelist NBA 2K26 and then reconnect and test online access. Sometimes relinking your 2K account might solve the problem. So in order to do this, just go to nba2k.com, log out and log back in. Relink your PlayStation, Xbox or Steam account. This refreshes online service link. Now guys, even after trying first 6 methods, if your problem still persists and you haven't got the solution yet, you can just go for the 7th method, and this is the last resort. In this you need to delete reserved space. Like close the game, go to save data and select NBA 2K26. Delete only the reserved space file. Restart the game, it will reallocate automatically. So yeah, that's there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.